Big language models are powerful, but their attention is quadratic, double the input, and you roughly quadruple the cost. Linear attention models fix that, but training one from scratch burns trillions of tokens. LoLCAT, from Stanford's Hazy Research and Together AI, offers a shortcut. Take an existing model like llama and convert it into a fast linear attention version in just hours. In this video, the quadratic problem: what LoLCAT is, how it trains, its architecture, the numbers, and when to use it. Standard attention compares every token with every other token. That is quadratic cost and a key value cache that balloons with context length. Subquadratic designs linear attention and state space models scale far better. But you cannot just download one for free. Building them means pre-training from scratch on trillions of tokens. Earlier attempts to convert an existing model still needed billions of tokens, badly hurt quality, and only worked up to about 7 billion parameters. LoLCAT stands for low-rank linear conversion via attention transfer. It is a simple two-step recipe to linearize a pre-trained model cheaply. First, you swap each expensive softmax attention for a learnable linear attention block and train it to mimic the original. Second, you patch up the small remaining errors with LoRA, a lightweight, low-rank finetune. The base weights stay frozen almost the whole time, so you get a subquadratic model without a full, costly retrain. Here is the flow. Start by freezing the base model completely. In attention transfer, each new linear attention layer is trained to match the output of the softmax attention it replaces, using a simple mean-squared error loss, no labels needed. Then swap the softmax layers out for good. Finally, run a short LoRA finetune to recover the last bit of quality lost in the approximation. The result is a subquadratic version of your original model. What actually replaces attention? LoLCAT uses a hybrid inside every layer. The most recent tokens are handled by a tiny sliding window of exact softmax attention, just 64 tokens. Everything older is summarized by learnable linear attention, using hedgehog-style feature maps. The two are fused, so each layer still sees all prior context while staying subquadratic. Fast Thunder Kitten's CUDA kernels make the linear path efficient on real GPUs. Crucially, the feature maps are learned, not hand-designed. Compare this to older linearization methods. They retrained the whole model on billions of tokens, often degraded quality sharply, and stalled around 7 billion parameters. LoLCAT instead freezes the base and trains only the attention feature maps plus a LoRA adapter, about 0.2% of the parameters, on just tens of millions of tokens. That is a fraction of the compute, with far less quality loss. Efficiency is the whole point. The headline result: LoLCAT produced the first ever linearized 70 billion and 405 billion parameter models. On 5-shot MMLU, it closed about 78% of the gap between the linear version and the original. The 70 billion model took only about 18 hours on a single AGPU H100 node. And for smaller models like Llama 3 billion, it recovered over 80% of quality on standard benchmarks. Why is this so cheap? 2 reasons. Attention transfer trains only the small feature map layers, and LoRA adds just tiny low-rank matrices to gather a sliver of the model. And because you are correcting an already strong model rather than teaching one from zero, you need around 40 million tokens instead of trillions. All told, LoLCAT uses about 0.2% of prior methods' parameters and well under 1% of their training tokens. Here's the linearization landscape. Full pre-training builds a linear model from scratch, maximum cost. Distillation approaches, like Mohawk, transfer transformer into a Mamba state space model. Older linearizing methods fine-tune the whole model on billions of tokens. LoLCAT sits at the efficient end. Freeze the base, transfer attention, then apply LoRA. Same goal as subquadratic model, but wildly different budgets. Where does this shine? A. Where you already have a strong model and want cheaper, longer context inference. Teams can turn a favorite open model into a subquadratic one for faster serving and a smaller memory cache. Researchers use it to study linear attention at large scale without a supercomputer. And it lets the open community linearize frontier-size models, like Llama 405 billion, that were previously off-limits. Encode the ideas clean. During attention transfer, you compute the frozen softmax output as a teacher, run your learnable linear attention as the student, and minimize the mean squared error between them. Only the feature map parameters update. Then you wrap the model with a LoRA config and run a short finetune. The base model stays frozen throughout both steps. So, when should you reach for LoLCAT? When you need subquadratic speed or long context from an existing model and cannot afford a full retrain. Think twice. If you need absolute peak quality, a small gap to the original usually remains. And if you are building fresh, a natively trained hybrid, like a Mamba transformer, may serve you better. LoLCAT is a conversion tool, not a from-scratch architecture. Quick recap. Attention is quadratic and expensive. Linear attention is cheap to run but costly to train from scratch. LoLCAT converts an existing model in 2 steps. Attention transfer teaches linear layers to mimic softmax, then LoRA recovers quality with the base weights frozen. It uses a sliding window plus linear hybrid, needs about 0.2% of parameters and tens of millions of tokens, and produce the first linear 70 billion and 405 billion models. That is LoLCAT turning giant transformers into fast linear models in hours, not months. Did this make linearizing LLMs click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.